The last hours of minor girls, 15, death row inmates before execution. In the darkest corners of legal history, there are chilling accounts of young girls whose lives were tragically cut short, condemned to the harrowing fate of death row. Mary, Atafe Rajabi Sahale, and Hannah Okuish, each in their own unique circumstances and locations, experienced a haunting reality of facing capital punishment at a tender age. Their stories shed light on the complexities of justice, the weight of age in legal proceedings, and the ethical debates surrounding the punishment of minors. As we explore the final hours leading to their execution, we come face to face with the profound questions of guilt, innocence, and the extraordinary price paid by these young souls. Mary, an enslaved teenager in America, was hanged after being found guilty of killing Vienna Brinker, a 2-year-old girl whom she had been babysitting. This case drew attention due to Mary's young age and the lengthy legal proceedings that preceded her punishment. Although her exact age remains unknown, it is widely believed that she holds the unfortunate distinction of being the youngest person to have faced capital punishment in Missouri. Mary was owned by Abraham Brinker, Vienna's grandfather. The discovery of Vienna's body in a stream on the Brinker property led to Mary being accused of the crime. She was subjected to interrogation, tied to a log, and eventually confessed to causing Vienna's death. Over the course of a 15-month legal process, Mary was convicted and sentenced to her execution. Despite conflicting reports about her age, ranging from 13 to 16 years old, her youth was not considered grounds for appeal. In a second trial, she was convicted once again. Tragically, Mary was ultimately executed for the crime she was accused of committing. Atafe Rajabi Sahale, a 16-year-old schoolgirl from Nika, Iran, was sentenced to death by Razai, the head of Nika's clerical court, on charges of adultery and crimes against chastity. This punishment stirred controversy because Iran, as a signatory of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, had committed to not imposing fatal punishments on individuals under the age of 18. Despite Atafe's birth certificate being presented to civil authorities, lawyers, journalists, and Judge Razai himself, the judge disregarded the evidence and declared her to be 22 years old based on her physical appearance. Atafe's family continuously lodged complaints regarding the handling of the case, but unfortunately, the Supreme Court of Iran issued an order to free her 3 weeks after it was already too late. Amnesty International and other human rights organizations denounced her punishment in the handling of her case. Hannah Okuish, a 12-year-old mentally disabled Native American girl from the Pequot Nation, was executed by hanging for the murder of Eunice Bowles, a 6-year-old white girl. Hannah's early life was marked by hardship as she moved between foster homes due to her alcoholic mother. At the age of 6, she had previously faced charges for assaulting another child. Eunice's lifeless body was discovered beside a road, leading to Hannah's arrest. After being shown the body, Hannah confessed to the crime. While awaiting her punishment, she displayed remorse, and witnesses noted her profound fear at the gallows. Hannah's case stands as the youngest recorded instance of capital punishment in the United States, although doubts persist regarding her guilt. The stories of Mary, Atafe Rajabi Sahale, and Hannah Okuish reveal the devastating outcomes that can befall minor girls entangled in the unforgiving grasp of the legal system. The haunting memories of their lives and the circumstances surrounding their deaths leave us with deep reflections on limitations and fallibilities of justice. As we reckon with these poignant narratives, it is our hope that their stories continue to spark conversations about the treatment of minors within the legal system, the complexities of punishment, and the pursuit of a more compassionate and equitable society for all. May their voices echo through time, reminding us of the importance of protecting and safeguarding the rights and well-being of our most vulnerable members.